Hey, welcome back. Today I'm making something quick and simple. I have a pound of some very large shrimp here. They've been peeled, deveined, and washed. And I have two small lobster tail I took out the shell. We are going to be making some jerk pineapple shrimp and lobster today. So in this bowl here, I started off with a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon and a half of jerk seasoning. I have a teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of paprika, no, half a teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon Old Bay seasoning, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and this, garlic roasted herb, I have a half a teaspoon. I have a teaspoon of Creole seasoning. And this is my blend of some roasted herbs. I will give you more information on this. Some roasted herbs that I grind in the grinder and bottle it up. I have a half a teaspoon of that in there. So we're gonna season up this, mix it all together. We're gonna leave about a teaspoon of it left for the pineapple jerk barbecue sauce. We're gonna season this up really well. The oven is already preheated to 350. We're gonna bake them in the oven for maybe 12 minutes, and then finish them off on the stove top in the jerk barbecue sauce. So I have this pan right here for the oven. I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil on the foil paper and use the brush to lather it up. I'm not left-handed and I don't do well with it at all. Okay. I just want this mess to clean up. Okay. So let's lay these on this pan. Jay, do you remember this was your favorite jerk shrimp? You love jerk shrimp? Every time you wanted something quick, you just come in here. And this is what you would do. I was not too nice with the lobster tails, but I was a bit rough taking them out the shell. The bag said this is a pound of shrimp, and I know they're big, but it just seems like there should be more in there for a pound. They're called tiger shrimps. I got them from Aldi. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put this in the oven at 350 for about 12 minutes. Halfway through, I'm gonna start working on the barbecue sauce, okay? So I'll see you back in about 6 minutes. Okay, so actually there's 4 minutes left on my shrimp in the oven. I have about a teaspoon of oil in here. To this oil, I'm going to add some garlic slices. Some freshly chopped ginger. Okay, let's get this going. Just grabbing a little bit of butter. Everything is better with butter, so I'm grabbing a little bit of butter. Let's add about a tablespoon of butter in here. I want to get the fragrance from this before I add anything else in there. Okay, I'm starting to pellet, like the kids used to say when they were little. I pellet. Oh, I miss those days. that aroma is so good. Okay, guys, this blend that I told you about, if you're making jerk and you got to make sure you have allspice, a little bit of ginger, and cinnamon. So those are the 3 easiest ingredients that's in here. Allspice, ginger, and cinnamon. I will show you one day how I make that. Although my plan is to bottle my own and sell it, but I will show you how I make that. Because it's not only good on your jerk, it's also very good on your stew. It's filled with antioxidant-rich ingredients. So why not give your immune system a boost while you have your meal? It may not be much, but if you use it as often as I do, then I'm sure it helps. All right, so now we're getting somewhere with that. I'm going to add a cup of chopped pineapple. About a tablespoon of brown sugar. And let's add the remaining tablespoon of jerk seasoning. And I believe we have some shrimp ready, so I'm going to take that out. Ooh, that's heat. Okay, so that's the shrimp and lobster. Let me stir this up really, really good. All right, now I'm going to, I have a, this is pineapple juice, a half a cup of pineapple juice. Get a cup of hot, a half a cup of water as well. And you need vinegar. I'm using balsamic vinegar. I'm gonna add about, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar. And now let me add some ketchup. Add about 4 tablespoons of ketchup. And 1 tablespoon of honey. Let me squeeze some lemon juice in here. Oops. I'm going to taste before I dunk the shrimp and lobster in there. Perfection. Perfection, people. Ooh, come on. here. Now guys, there you have it. Simple pineapple jerk shrimp and lobster tail. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you're enjoying all of my recipes, and if you are, I very much appreciate your support by subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Like, comment, and share with your friends and family so they can enjoy great meals at home as well. Know that I thank you, I appreciate you, I love you. So from my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours, this is Friday. I hope you have a blessed and safe and fun, relaxing weekend, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.